souls. I am Neeti again back with Angel Power, and we are here to guide you about how this week of first week of September is going to be with respect of your finances, health and relationships. Now if you can see here, I am using here two decks to get the answer. The first one is the Ask Angel Oracle cards from Redley Valentine. This is the first deck I am using here. And the second deck is to get the remedies. I am using this Divya Sandesh Hindi Oracle card from Master Priya Bhalla. So we will be using these two decks here. So let's begin with our journey. The first card which I am picking up here is regarding our finances. So let's see what angels have in store for us regarding the finances are concerned. Woohoo! Romance. Now you must be wondering how romance is considered with the finances. So don't worry, romance not only mean the love in relationship, it also means your love, your commitment with your money and with your finances. Basically this card, the angels are telling you if there is any kind of a disagreement, maybe your money is stuck somewhere, or there that you are looking for some lucrative deal, but it is being stuck, and somewhere you are not getting the quote which you wanted to have. So don't worry, take angels along with you, let them be your business partner, and definitely a new commitment, a new level of relationship will be developed with the finances. So angels are basically telling you here that new commitments and new relationships, new partnership as far as the finance is concerned is going to bloom this week. So enjoy with this. Now what for getting the money back, what you need to have is you need to look for the guidance card here. हम यहाँ guidance card देखते हैं. So the guidance card which, oh wonderful, the guidance card which came out is from Sai Baba. Sai Baba is telling you that although it is a very difficult time, things are going difficult because of this pandemic also, we can understand that most of the businesses, most of the money is being, the flow of money in the economy is being, has been slowed down. So Sai Baba is telling us to have some sort of patience, right? Another thing, this is a warning for you that you should not work as per what other people wanted you to do as far as finance is concerned. You should always use your own wisdom also. That is why in my first card, when we take up this romance card, I urges and insisted you that you take angel as your business partner, you take angel as your finance partner. Have a commitment, have a relationship with them. Now what we have to do to the guidance, the remedy which is available is take a bowl, and preferably a glass bowl, do not use plastic, and put sea salt, Himalayan sea salt into it, and keep it in your washrooms all over at your home and even at your offices, right? This will help to remove the negativity from your office and will bring the positive people around you. So happy finances this week. Let's move on to the second guidance card here. The second guidance card, if I can see here, is regarding your health. So let's see what is there in store for us for health. Let go. Think about all those things, what is being stopping you to move ahead. What is that is there being stuck? Can you see here the beautiful angel who is telling you to let go whatever there in your heart? Then only the light in your heart will shine up. Speak up your mind. Say whatever you wanted to say in a dignified manner. Do not hold on the things, because that is something which is taking toll on your health. So angels are telling you, if you cannot speak your thing to that particular person, tell them to the angels. Release it from your heart. Sometimes we are stuck in certain relationships where we wanted to say so many things, but we are not able to speak. The best way is to communicate to the angels, and they will give you the guidance, and they will give you that, provide you the direction how that things are going to be communicated to the concerned person. So angels here are urging you to let go so that your heart may be relieved and you'll feel a sign of relief here. Now what is the remedy we need to follow this week is beautiful. Whatever you're thinking right now is beautiful. Again, this goddess Saraswati is urging you to remove all the negativity from your thoughts, from your mind, from your house. Open up all the windows. Let the beautiful sun come inside, shine in your house, and take a nature walk also. Spend time with nature, spend time in sunlight, take a walk of maybe 2 to 3 minutes in the morning. That will be enough for you. So that is going to have some improvement in your health. So that's a beautiful thing, angels. Thank you. And the third guidance is regarding the relationships. Let's see what is there in store for us. The situation will improve. Whatever you are thinking upon, whatever the questions are there in your mind regarding a particular situation in the relationship, the angels are assuring you, don't worry, the situation is going to be better, the situation is going to be improved basically. So you do not have to worry about a particular relationship, or maybe that could be a relationship with your child, or that could be a relationship with your spouse, or it could be a relationship with your fiancé, with your friend, girlfriend, whatever, boyfriend. So that the angels are telling you that the situation is going to improve, although it may take some time and there will be most likely some hard work. But whatever the effort you are putting to sustain this relationship, actually it is worth. So keep working hard. Angels are saying things are going to be better. It is not the time to give up the wounded friendships or ailing relationships. There is still some hope for the future. Take heart and continue to work towards your partnership where the both parties are happy in the future. So whatever the relationships you are thinking about, you are questioning about, believe me that you have a beautiful, happy future together. And let's see what is the remedy card which we get today is very nice. So go with your partner to a nearest Gurdwara and do a seva over there. If you cannot go to a nearest Gurdwara, you can go to any other temple. Maybe you can go to church, whatever the place of temple you believe in. Yes. So see, basically this card is telling you whenever we are in the relationship, we need to understand each other. So do not be very, very aggressive with the other person. Rather, try to, bring a solution in a peaceful manner. Resolve the situation in a peaceful manner. And what you can do is, Babaji is guiding you here. Go to some temple, or maybe a church, or maybe a mosque, or maybe Gurdwara, and do some kind of service that is required so that your relationship can be healed. So this is basically the guidance regarding this particular week of September, first week of the September for you with respect to the finances, relationships and health. So we are very, very happy. Do share your testimonies with us. Do share your experiences with us. Do not forget to press the bell icon, to like our channel and subscribe our channel, and leave your comments below and let us know that how resonate you feel with your readings. And the most important thing, on this full moon, Angel Power has come up with a very, very unique a guided meditation for womb healing. And we have kept it at a very, very nominal price for the people, because during this lockdown, actually I am hearing from many of my clients, from many of my students, that because of the shortage of the money, they are not able to enroll in our workshops. So what I am going to do is, we are going to have kept it at a very minimum price of 101 rupees. And in case you wanted to be a part of the group, WhatsApp group of Angel Power, click the link given in the description below. Till then, Angel Power is signing off. Angel blessings to all. Merlin magic begins now. Thank you.